Now, India Today had reported on a residential society in Mumbai allegedly getting fake vaccines, and that has now led the authorities to take action. After residents told India Today that they believe they got a fake jab of the COVID-19 vaccine, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has taken note. The BMC has ordered a high-level inquiry into the matter. The Deputy Municipal Commissioner will be heading this inquiry in the matter, and the officer has been given 48 hours time to investigate and submit a report. Now, the BMC is taking certificates from society residents. They will then verify from the COVID application and also nodal officer whether the certificates are genuine or fake. Many of these society members, however, have still not even received certificate of the vaccine jab, and that also will be investigated.
This is Mumbai's upscale Hiranandani Estate Society. On May 30th, 390 people living here were given Covishield shots inside the society premises. What happened next was baffling. None of the 390 people given the vaccine had any post-jab symptoms, like a mild fever or an ache in the hand. There were more surprises to come.
390 लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन दी गई थी उस दिन ऑन रिकॉर्ड, और हमसे 1260 रुपया लिया गया है. हमें बोला गया था 1200 रुपया ये इसका वैक्सीनेशन का चार्ज है और 60 रुपीज़ GST है. वहाँ पे किसी को पिक्चर्स लेने नहीं दे रहे थे कि भाई आई एम वैक्सीनाइट, और तो वो जो वहाँ पे स्टाफ था वो भी बोल रहा था सेल्फी और हमारा भी फोटो आपको नहीं लेना है.
The people living in the high-end society grew more suspicious after nobody received the certificate issued by the government.
We are seeing after like the day of vaccine, no one is having any side effects, no one is having any terms of, like symptoms, nothing in that sorts. So in terms of that, then we started questioning, we started wondering what is going on. So after that, after inquiring, we got to know that no one was getting certificates also, which was supposed to be issued within the first 10-15 minutes of getting the vaccine.
After 10 days, they did get the certificates, but these had the names of different hospitals in Mumbai.
सर्टिफिकेट जो बाद में तो वो तो डिफरेंट नेस्को से आ रहे हैं, लाइफलाइन से आ रहे हैं, हमको आ रहे हैं नानावटी से आ रहे हैं.
नेस्को तो BMC के अस्पताल.
वही जब नेस्को का सर्टिफिकेट आया तब यह सरप्राइज कि ये तो फ्री का और BMC का है, ये कैसे मैनेज हो रहा है. इट मीन्स इट्स अ वेरी बिग गेम कि ये सब वैक्सीनेशन तो मैनेज हुआ है पर सर्टिफिकेट भी मैनेज हो रहा है.
Then came another twist in the story. The hospitals, which included the city's top ones, denied to have given any vaccine doses to be administered to Hiranandani Estate Society members. Anxiety and anger has gripped the members. They are not even sure what vaccine was given to them.
300 people have taken this vaccine, maybe more than that. 390 people have taken the vaccine. Okay, so we want to know first the authenticity कि क्या गया है हमारे body में. The first and foremost. Second, we need the government intervention on this.
सर्टिफिकेट जो आते हैं जनरली गवर्नमेंट के सर्टिफिकेट जो आते हैं वो 15-20 मिनट में या विद इन 1-2 आवर्स आ ही जाते हैं, एट द मोस्ट 24 आवर्स. बट हम लोग को किसी को भी कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया. जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स आए किसी को एक हफ्ते के बाद, किसी को उसके बाद.
Mumbai police has now launched a probe into what happened in one of Mumbai's premium housing societies.
The society members are alleging that this is a huge vaccination scam in this whole matter. Meanwhile, the Mumbai police is saying that they are going to verify the facts in this case first. They are going to question the officials from the different hospitals as well as some of the society members. If there are any irregularities, they are going to take a strict action. With camera person Prashant Bhatt, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.